All right, I feel like driving today. This nice afternoon. Let me turn this on. I'm gonna be in sport mode because I feel a little edgy today. Also, I just want to distress myself. This nice Sunday afternoon. Shut up, no music. Yeah, let's do sport mode. Sport mode, let's go and drive. Nice Sunday drive in sport mode. Just feel like driving today. Just spirited, just go to a destination, not looking at the map. Just drive. I had a pretty stressful week of projects and people don't know what the hell they're doing at work, so why not take advantage of this beautiful day and just drive? What the hell is this? Road is closed? What the hell is going on? Son of a bitch. Like, why are the roads closed? That's just oh, luck right here. Like, that's where I'm supposed to go. Now the road is closed and people are going through for some reason. Why? That is wild. I guess I'm gonna go through the other side then. That's ridiculous. I can't believe that is closed. That is wild. I'll admit that it's pretty responsive with the sports mode. Of course, I mean, I've used sports mode plenty of times, but there's definitely a difference in responses. In terms of the throttle sensitivity, that's pretty much all it is. Throttle sensitivity, pretty tight. I'm gonna go through the other side. This other side has more straightaways, but I think it's gonna be hindered by the other drivers on the road. Just great. I want to have a nice drive today, but so far it's not that nice. Yeah, definitely know I'm in the countryside when you see trucks with testicles hanging from the toe part of their car. That is funny. I definitely know I'm on the countryside, man. I'm in the boondocks. That's hilarious. Hanging balls, that's what it is. Hanging testicles right there. Alright, I don't know what's taking so long, but the guy with the hanging testicles is pissing me off. I'm gonna launch this shit. Great. Another car up ahead of me and a truck. Fantastic. I don't know why this Beamer is driving so close to my rear end, you want to smell my exhaust pipes, go right ahead. But if you crash into me, I don't want no bullshit. I'm trying to drive, enjoy a nice Sunday drive, but I don't want no bullshit. I really don't want no bullshit. Some of you Beamers, y'all have a notorious driving record. Seriously. I stop because that's what I'm supposed to do. Look both ways. Yeah, go to hell. Piece of Beamer driver. Yeah, throttle's responsive on the sport mode as expected. Nice launch, but you know, it's a front wheel drive, so I don't know if y'all heard the spins of the tires, but it spun a bit. That's the downside of launching cars like this with the front wheel drive. Yikes. Alright, I'm gonna launch this video. Alright. What you doing? Why are you chilling on the left lane? It's a passing lane, damn it. I hate left lane planters. It's that Hyundai over there. I don't think it's the Civic. I think the Civic is fine. I think it's the Hyundai right in front of the Civic is what's causing this hold up. I don't know what the hell this person is doing. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. So much space. So much space here. And then if the person is slow, you go to the right, left lane. Like, what the f? Oh my God. Son of a bitch. Look at this guy. I don't like doing that, but unfortunately you got that piece of Hyundai that can't move, chilling on the left lane. You're not supposed to. This is the type of things that pisses me off very easily, especially when I drive. I'm normally a calm dude, but while I drive, I want to enjoy the drive. I don't want any that don't know how to drive. Man, that made me hungry. I'm gonna get some pizza. This, man. I'm gonna get some pizza. See, 2 lanes. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna be on this side. Why? Because more lanes here, and this is the passing side. Dumb. Normally, ideally, around the residential area, I'll be in comfort mode because of the, you know, conserve some gas. I won't be too crazy on the throttle. But this is dedicated to just sport only for this drive, so. Boom. Look to my left, look to my right. Nobody inside. Jeez. Oh. Whoa. This is why I just do comfort. Just a little touch of the throttle just jumps. Ugh. is on this street. Looks like I'm gonna eat here. Oh, fuck. Where is it? That's where it is. Biryani's Pizza. Alright, let's try this pizza, yo. Let's see. Let's try this pizza. Never been to this place before. Let's see if it's okay, if it's decent, or I'll never come back here again. Alright, I'm at the gas station. Cost me $3.59 per gallon. Go sport mode. Nobody's there. Alright. Nice. So nobody was there, so I'll take this spot. Here's the thing about sport mode in this car. It's definitely peppy, good throttle response, very sensitive. Feel that power with it. All 201 horses of it, I guess. The steering is stiffer, but more accurate. But it still needs more, man. It still needs more boost. That's why I'm gonna decide either K-Tuner or Honda for this car. Either K-Tuner or Honda is gonna give that little more edge in this car. We'll see how that goes. I'm still doing some research, but it's either K-Tuner or Honda. So those are the two that I'm down with. So I'm just gonna do my research to put on that car. But in the future, I'm definitely gonna get a sports car, but I don't know what yet. So, hey, a Porsche 718. That is a fun car to drive. That is a fun car. That car in front of me is definitely a fun car to drive. A 718. Damn, I had my moments in Miami with that car. Well, a Boxster form of it. That is a fun car to drive for sure. Hey, he's going my way. Ooh. Hey, this is fun. The Porsche 718 is going through my same route as well. Let's go. He wants to go faster. I know it. It's that car in front of him. That Ford Focus, I think. I think that's a Ford Focus in front of the Porsche. I know he wants to pull that hard. Yeah, I hear you. This is a good turn in events. This Porsche wants to go. I feel you, bro. I was feeling that the entire drive, man. I know how you feel, bro. I know you want to open it up. I know. I want to hear that engine noise. Look at that. I know exactly how you feel, Porsche. I know exactly how you feel. Oh, I know how you feel, bro. Oh, well, that's exciting. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. That's a good way of finishing this drive. Shout out to that Porsche. that beautiful Porsche 718. Hopefully he knows that that road is closed over there, but yeah, I'll head back to my aunt and uncle's place. Kind of tired now.